Hello, Ruby Major friends. Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to log in and begin Minecraft Education Edition. The first thing you'll do is to download the app, and it'll look something like this. But you make sure you have the Education Edition. You'll click on the Minecraft Education Edition, and then you'll have to log in using your school email. If you watch, it says you must sign in with your school account in order to play. Mine is already signed in, so it's going to sign in automatically. When you get signed in, you'll see your character over here. If you click on this little hanger button right here, you can change his skin, put on different costumes and characters and make it look more like you. Miss Hale went ahead and put on glasses on hers. Then once you choose your skin, you're going to go back and you're going to click on play. When you click on play, it has two choices here. It has lots of choices, but I want you to go to View Library. When you go to View Library, I want you to go to How to Play. And easy enough, start here. When you start here, I want you to go to Education Edition Tutorial, the very first one. After you go through all of this one, then you can go to Touch Controls and keep following through to more. It will lead you to several different tutorials as you go along. Then it says Create World, and as it logs in, it will give you all kinds of little clues there, so it's always a good idea to read those hints. As you go through, please pay attention to all these billboards because they also will teach you things about Minecraft. The younger guys, you might have a parent or older brother or sister to sit with you and read those directions with you. And if you see on the left of your screen, it will show you can use buttons in order to move. You can also use a mouse or the trackpad if you are on a laptop. Have a good time, enjoy, and use your escape key to save and exit and to stop the game. Have a great time, and I look forward to sending you a challenge next week. See you soon.